Mother versus Daughter Sephora Play Edition. Wait, didn't we have a song?
Yeah, we did. I don't remember it though.
I forgot it too. You know, it's been like a whole whopping 30 days, so poof, it gone. Anyways, guys, if you are new to this channel, hey, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama. This is my beautiful daughter, Hailey, aka Love Hailey. She has her own.
Where was the MD?
Oh, I forget to put it in there sometimes. My bad. Makeup diva, not medical doctor. Anyhow,
I was ready for the Hot Mess Mama MD.
Yeah, I forgot. Welcome to my brain. Anyways, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Sephora Play Bag and a little bit about it before we get into the actual unboxing. By the way, check my description box for her channel. This is a monthly subscription bag. It is $10 a month plus tax, and you do get deluxe size samples, sometimes full size as well. And it's Sephora, so it's all like high-end luxury.
Bougie makeup, hair care, skincare, perfumes, bouginess. Ooh.
Yes. So they always give us this little doodad. It used to have Sephora points on here. It tells you everything that's in your bag, and they no longer have it. So I don't know if we get our points when we purchase this. I don't know how it works, but anyhow. By the way, I hope you guys are all safe in your homes.
Quarantining it up.
Yeah, being safe, having family time, and just being safe. It's scary right now, so we're just trying to not think about things, and we're filming for you guys. So anyways, I just wanted to mention that real quick, that I hope you guys are safe and well, and hopefully you decide to stick around, because I do plan on continuing 5 days a week over here for you guys, uploading at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time to give a sense of normalcy. Wait, what's the word?
Normalcy?
Okay, or normalness,
yeah,
to the world when it's really crazy and weird right now. So hopefully that made sense. Okay, you go ahead and start off.
I'm gonna start off like with my smallest item and work my way to the biggest item. So first I have this Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer.
It's so cute.
Yeah, base hydrate. It's like very itsy bitsy. It probably won't focus. So this is it compared to my hand.
It is, I'm trying to...
3 mLs. So 0.10 ounces.
It's really cute though. I mean,
yeah.
how many uses you
Half
think you
of
could
my
get?
face. Oh wait, it's not a moisturizer. One use.
One use.
But I appreciate it anyways.
Okay, so my first item is the Amika Volume and Matte Texture Spray called Undone. I'm assuming this is a dry finishing spray. It builds instant fullness and matte texture to perfectly tousled hair. Okay.
My next item is the Belvagaria Omnia Crystalline Perfume.
I like this brand. Oh, I like that. I actually really like that scent. So it's, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to. Probably not. Anyways, well, I've never said this right. I own this brand, but I don't know how, I've never known how to say it. So when people are like, oh, you smell so good, what is it? And I'm like, blah, blah. Yeah.
Do you know that TikTok? Say pop, pop, sickle, sickle, blah, blah. That's what that is to me.
Pop, sickle,
Popsicle.
pop.
Can you? Yep. Can you say pop?
Pop.
Sickle.
Sickle.
Popsicle.
Blah, blah.
So the next item I got is by NARS, and this is the Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman 2779. So it is so outside my comfort zone. However, ooh, that is so outside. It's actually really pretty. It's like a deep, beautiful, make your teeth look gorgeously white red. And And I will say, like, I'm going to start getting outside my comfort zone. I'm going to start wearing this stuff. But I will say this formula is heaven. I got one of these full-size ones in my Boxycharm. I think it was a Boxy Luxe last month. And I love it. It is so comfortable. Do you have this?
Yeah, I have that one.
I love it. It's like, it lasts.
NARS formula is really nice.
It really is.
I just thought of this idea. We should do a me doing your makeup completely out of your comfort zone video.
People have been asking for you to do my makeup for years. So yeah, we should since we're quarantined.
My next item is this Laura Mercier metallic taupe eyeshadow stick.
Is that one of those caviar sticks or something? Is that what they're called?
Yeah, caviar stick. Ooh, that looks shiny.
Wait, what?
Ooh,
that's gorgeous.
We have the same one.
Oh.
It's like super like you're not gonna be able to see it, but take my word, it's metallic, reflecty, like metal, gorgeous.
It's like
Let's just focus it.
Cover FX drops metallic.
Focus.
It takes it a second.
It's right there. If you can see that. There it is.
Ooh, that's gonna be gorgeous if you
just
just.
A highlighter.
But it's for your. You could do it. Yeah, so you can multitask that bad boy. That is gorgeous.
Yes.
I'm excited. I remember when these came out. I wanted them, but they're pricey, obviously. So. Okay, so my next item is the Fresh Sugar Mint Rush Lip Treatment.
I have the same one.
Oh, I
like
love
these little chapsticks.
Yeah, I
they're so
have the
cute.
pink one.
They make me.
It smells good.
They make me feel so expensive. Like
bougie.
It
out of
doesn't
budget.
just click on. Like you have to
Screw
twist it, and it's like metal and cute. And I don't know. I just feel so expensive when I use them.
I really like it. I've got the pink one that was sent in a different Sephora, and it's in my purse. And like you said, I don't ever have to worry about the lid coming off, so I really like that. So you're
Oh my goodness! Look at that. Our next item is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega. Whoa, can't speak. Glow Starter Mega Illuminizing Moisturizer, and it is in Nude Glow. Mine is, at least.
I love this.
I haven't tried it.
I've tried it in the past, and I love it. I love it as it reminds me kind of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Finish. It just gives your skin this really pretty radiant glow.
That's going to be good for like a dewy makeup look.
Yeah, I really, really like it. And mine's really full. Is yours?
Yeah, mine, as soon as I opened it, like product was like ready to, it was like I didn't squeeze it.
I love that.
So shout out to Glam Glow for having their life together.
Oh, and then for my little perfume sample, I've got the Moschino Toy 2. Let's smell her. Oh,
Ooh,
that's nice.
Yeah,
I like that.
that's nice.
I think both of our perfume samples were really good. Okay, so what? Oh, you have one more. Okay.
My last item is the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner, which I am so excited about this because
It's
now,
a lot.
yeah, it's 8.84 fluid ounces, so that's nice. This is definitely a deluxe size sample. I'm really excited about this because now that I've been in cosmetology school, I've been like, you know, smell it. I've been pretty obsessed with like hair products.
I just smell your
like,
perfume.
Oh, and like doing different things with my hair and like protecting it and keeping it healthy and stuff. So I'm really excited about this. So yeah.
What are your overall thoughts?
I like it. I could have lived without the perfume, but even if I just got like the conditioning treatment, the moisturizer, the lip scrub, or like chapstick, and I would have been fine with just those 4 things. I'm happy with that. That's a $10 well spent at Sephora.
See, right? That's what I think. Like, I love my box. I feel like it's a tie because I feel like yours is really good. Mine's really good. We got a couple different items, but
the majority of our boxes were the same. Like 3 out of the 5 items were both the same, but like those other 2, you know, were very curated, I feel like, to us, or at least like fit our personal things. I mean, I guess not the perfume. The perfume, I guess, is probably random, but
I really like it.
Yeah, the perfume was good this month. If it was bad, then I would have been like, it's okay, but I like the perfume.
I do too. Like, I think, like you said, $10 for all Sephora high-end products, really good. And I mean, if you think about it, like these 3 items alone are gonna last you a while. It's not a one and done type of dealio. Same, actually, all these items are not a one and done type of deal. I mean, you're gonna know if you like these products because you're gonna get a lot of use out of them. So that's something that I definitely like.
Wait, I forgot I got this too.
Yeah,
this is pretty much like a one and done, maybe 2 or 3 if you only prime right here, which is what I normally do. But
yeah. No, I think they were good boxes. Like you said, $10 plus tax. It's like $10.60 in Kentucky. So $10 well spent. I like it. I get to try a different array of things that are definitely very high end, very expensive, and you know, I like to get to try it out. Okay guys, so that's going to be all for today's video. Like I said, don't forget to check my description box down below for Hailey's channel and go over and check her out, show her some love. So anyways guys, hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. I do upload over here Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time every day, and sometimes extra in between that. So I'd love to have you as part of the family over here. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Hailey also has a TikTok. Do you want to shout it out?
I think it's at LOVHAILEY, like love without the E and then Hailey.
I'll try and like pop it up somewhere for you guys.
I'm addicted to TikTok.
I know. I've kind of slowed down from that too. I've been like
I'm gonna use this quarantine time to get TikTok famous.
You get there, girl. Okay guys, we're gonna hop off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have, or we hope you have, a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah.
Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your germs to yourself.
Yes. What do they say? Sanitize to protect? Or something?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, bye guys.